Hey guys, welcome to another video. We're back. It's been approximately a week. I'm sorry if you kind of liked us. Well, today we're reviewing the DC Comics superhero Black Manta Deep Sea Strike. It is ages 6 to 12. It is set number 76027. And it has 387 pieces. First character we got is, well, give me a second. Batman. Batman has two faces. One that's like an Aquamask face, and one that's just a normal face. You can see, and he has this bat symbol and 15 pack. And, yeah, he has this belt, a really soft cape, and, yeah, that's Batman. Next, we got Robin in handcuffs. He has these flippers and a scuba tank. He has, this mask with two faces, one that's a scared face and one that's a scuba face. And, yeah, that's Robin. Next, we got Black Manta. Black Manta has red eyes and an 8-pack. He has a spear. On the back, it's just his tanks to keep him fueled. Next, we got a super jumper guy called Aquaman. He has blonde hair. He has two faces, one that's angry, one that's normal. He has some green pants and a belt. Next off, we got Black Manta's mind-controlled shark. He has these glow-in-the-dark pieces with rockets, I think, that shoot. They don't, like, you have to grab them and then psh. So, yeah. And, yeah, that's the shark. Next off, we're moving on to the things. We got this Batman scuba, like, submarine. It has a wheel. And two rockets that can aim anywhere on two sides. And you can shoot them. They don't shoot that far though. And yeah. He has these that you can move and stuff. And yeah. So, next thing is Black Manta ship. It has a propeller in the back and some tubes. It has a shield where Black Manta can sit. It has these rockets that he shoots that have glow-in-the-dark pieces. And yeah, he has a propeller and stuff. Here is the thing where Robin is supposed to sit. Let me grab Robin. This is where you see this chain. You put it on the back of this hook, but you attach Robin to it. You attach Robin to the hook, and then you hang him like that. This is a locking mechanism, so it doesn't fall. And then here's the play feature. It falls over and Robin falls with a chain on him. Yeah, I know, weird play feature. I don't know why. But, yeah. This is the Black Manta Deep Sea Strike set. Like, comment, subscribe, dislike. Yeah, bye. Bye.